Did you know that the largest banknote ever issued was worth a whopping 100 trillion? Back in 2008, during a period of extreme hyperinflation, Zimbabwe released this enormous banknote. Despite its massive face value, it was practically worthless in real terms, showcasing the devastating effects of inflation. In contrast, coins have a much longer lifespan compared to paper money. While a typical paper bill only lasts around 6-18 months, coins can remain in circulation for decades, sometimes even up to 30 years or more. They are built to withstand the test of time and be used over and over again. Another fascinating fact is that the United States once minted a $10,000 bill. This was the largest denomination of U.S. currency ever printed, and was mainly used for transactions between Federal Reserve banks. However, it was discontinued in 1969, leaving it as a historical curiosity. Moving on to Sweden. It is well on its way to becoming the world's first entirely cashless society. Many businesses in the country have already stopped accepting physical cash, making digital transactions the norm. This trend highlights the increasing reliance on electronic forms of payment. Now let's delve into the origins of the word salary. Did you know that it comes from the Latin word salarium? This term referred to the payment given to Roman soldiers for the purchase of salt, which was a highly valuable commodity at that time. It's fascinating to see how language evolves and retains its historical connections. Speaking of valuable commodities and currencies, cryptocurrency started off being valued at $0 in 2009. When Bitcoin was first introduced, it had no monetary worth. However, through the years, its value skyrocketed to tens of thousands of dollars per coin, creating overnight millionaires and revolutionizing the financial world. Taking a trip back in time, we discover that paper money originated in China during the Tang Dynasty in the 7th century. By the 11th century, the Song Dynasty had fully adopted it as a standard currency. The invention of paper money had a profound impact on trade, commerce, and the development of economies worldwide. While traditional paper money is widely used, some countries have embraced more advanced technologies. Countries like Australia, Canada, and the UK have introduced polymer banknotes made of plastic. These notes are more durable, resistant to wear and tear, and harder to counterfeit compared to traditional paper money. In terms of wealth, John D. Rockefeller was the world's first billionaire. In 1916, adjusted for inflation, his fortune would surpass a staggering $400 billion today, far surpassing the richest individuals of the modern era, and his impact and immense wealth still reverberate through history. Lastly, let's discuss counterfeiting. Did you know that the most counterfeited currency is the US 20 bill? In the United States, counterfeiters frequently target this denomination. Internationally, the US 100 bill takes the top spot. Counterfeiting remains a persistent issue, reminding us of the constant battle against fraud and illicit financial activities. These 10 fascinating facts about money and currency reveal the intricate and ever-evolving nature of our financial systems. From massive banknotes to the rise of digital transactions, the history and significance of money continue to shape our lives in profound ways.